Ayan, thank you so much, Manay Kinita, to inviting me here. Ay, muna perfect tong akong pag
Perfect.
Yes, perfect. Perfect.
Asa pa siya na? P or F?
Perfect.
By the way, my real name is Junala Banon, aka Anthogis. I am 14 star. And my favorite color
14?
is color. Yes.
Uy, kalain sa 14.
Wow.
My favorite color is pink.
Why pink?
Because my pink is the one is the most property of myself.
Wow.
Manay Kinita!
Ano naman?
So, tingnan natin sa ating comment section kung sino ang tama sa ating round 1.
Round 1 pa to?
Round 1 pa to. This will be our round 2. Ito ang tinatawag nating debate. Magdedebate kayo.
Okay.
First nating pagdidebatihan is of course ang kagandahan.
Ay! Sus! Sanay kay kong nga ba?
Don't dare me.
Pero ngayon, English yan. English.
Ay, it's okay for me.
Okay.
Tagalog na lang.
So, who's beautiful? Unahin natin ang Tagalog. Tagalog sa tanong word ha. Sinong mas maganda sa inyo?
Actually, ako.
Siya pa ang una.
Ay, siya pa.
Siyempre ako, kasi isa po ako sa mga grand finalist na kalokalike ng Davao City ang Ann Curtis.
So, yan mapapatunayan mo maganda ka.
Yes.
So, ikaw, Paulina?
Actually, syempre ako talaga.
Yes,
Kasi I'm proud to be my beauty. And also, walang makakatalo sa beauty ko.
Paano-
Kahit sino, kahit si Ann Curtis fan, kahit ikaw pa, hindi ka makakatalo sa akin.
Paano kung may beauty ka pero wala ka namang talent at saka wala kang kamukha, paano mo yung gagawin kung
Oh my
may beauty
God,
ka?
naging ganito ba ako kung wala akong talent?
Pero Ann Curtis yung katapat
Did you
mo.
know that?
Stop! Now, English. Who is beautiful?
Sino sa una mo na?
You or him?
Sino? Ikaw
Okay,
na.
Paulina.
Talk to me in English. Don't talk
Who
to me in
is more
Tagalog.
beautiful? Who is beautiful?
Of course, I am a beautiful.
Why did you say that you're the beautiful?
Because I'm face is normal.
oh, you're
Don't
normal.
abnormal. Don't me. It's because my beauty is exotic.
Yes, and part of the pag-rotation.
Yes. It's true.
So, what can you say about that, Junelle?
Ano sa man to?
Who's beautiful?
Don't Bisaya.
Mela or
Paulina.
Paulina?
It's real me. It's a very beautiful.
Why?
Because my face is the very baby face. It's because over the world, I'm going to TV and like Ann Curtis because Ann Curtis is people famous of the
Famous or famous?
famous. Ann Curtis is very famous of the over the world.
Okay. Okay, sa round 2, tingnan natin kung sino ang nanalo. Ngayon naman, let's proceed sa hosting. Siyempre, mga comedians kayo marunong kayo mag-host.
Oh my God, Manay. I don't like hosting.
Mag-host kayo ng debut. So, ganito yon. For
Manay, I
example,
don't like hosting.
No,
Kamu lang
kailangan
kaana.
mo
Jilly man na siya kabalo mo ba sagod man na?
Okay, isampulan ko nga. For example, ganito, i-English mo lang to ha. Eto na po, tumayo po tayong lahat at andito na po ang ating debutant. Go.
Please stand up because very special guest and so one is the most special guest birthday. Ano lang ka sa'yo?
Please rise.
Ikaw.
Please rise and of course they have the birthday celebrant of the debutant. Yeah.
Wala ko na sabta.
Wala nang sabta. Oh my God, buko kay kuha ka sa ato.
So, sino kaya ang ating... Ngayon naman, this will be the final round. Okay, final round. Ano tayo ngayon? Question and answer portion na pang Miss Universe.
Depende English.
English dapat.
Ay, Tagalog na lang.
Oo, English. Dapat English. Okay. This is this is the final question, and whoever wins in this pageant or this contest will win 10,000 plus Zesto and Marie. Yeah.
Lain na naman.
Okay, this is my question. Pang Miss Universe to tinanong to sa Miss Universe. Okay? What is the difference between house and a home?
The difference is house and the home. The house is very big and the home is inside the room. And I thank you.
Nakasagot ko.
Oh my God!
Okay, Mel.
Please try again your question.
What?
Please try
Please try again your question. Please repeat me.
Okay.
Please repeat me.
Try again.
Go! Manik, go.
Okay, this is my question. What is the difference between house and a home?
Okay, what is different house at a home? Because okay, first is house. House is the very special family
Reunion.
Isa ba?
family planning. It means family planning, family love for the person. But home over there, but home is going to home. Yes, right now. Thank you.
Oh.
Na may point.
Aso yung point ato.
Katong akong linya.
So, thank you so much. So, ayan, ito na po ang ating final battle. Yun na po ang ating top 3. So, ngayon po, mag-extra na po kami. So, kunwari, last na lang talaga, endorser tayo. Gagayahin nyo lang tong spiel na ito. Ito ha, parang commercial. For example, ako commercial, kumano ko. Sunset. Being a hostman, long hours under the spotlight. That's when I knew I need a better shampoo. That's why I use Sunsilk.
Ay!
Very easy.
Very easy.
Oh.
Okay. Lights.
Again, repeat.
Being a singer or host man, long hours under the spotlight. That's when I knew I need a better shampoo. That's
Ako,
why
ito
I
kasi mo
use
manay.
Sunsilk. Okay, go.
That's why I use Sunsilk.
Okay, lights, camera, action.
Bearing the hosting is the main scamming and the hands down the Sunsilk.
Pangit! Pangit!
Nausa naman ka.
Di ko ka-nose, no?
Ako magbuhat og caption ako, di ko gusto mo ka ng
Manundog
Sige,
ka.
ikaw.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Kailangan pa magwapa-gwapa sa
Oh,
camera.
Ayun na.
Okay.
Inana na dyan mong now.
Go.
Pwede Tagalog or English?
English
please?
siya.
Hi to everyone. This is Spit in Right. Because Spit in Right is a very your body is yes. Go.
Ano ba yan?
Oo nga. Ayan, thank you so much,
Walang
Manay.
mga magagaling sa mga pag ano ng product. Walang magaling sa pag ano. So, who deserves to be the winner?
Me.
Why?
Because first round hanggang
No, English.
first round going to fourth round, yeah, me. So very support myself.
Oh.
I know me.
You.
It's because the all English is my it's my fault.
It's my fault.
Forte.
Fuerte, oo.
So there you have it guys, ang ating thank you so much for watching again. Ayan, ito po ang ating English challenge with our two twins. Ayan, mga two twinkles. Ayan.
Yes.
So
Baka
abangan
the
nyo
same twin.
So abangan nyo po guys and maraming salamat. Sana
Thank you so much,
Sana
ma'am.
nag-enjoy po kami kayo sa aming English. Actually, tutuhanan po sa kanila yon yung mga pinagsasabi nila.
English.
Oo, yan talaga sila mag-English. So, you tell them what can you say about the people who are not wearing
Tagalog na naman na.
Hindi ba English ka? Ano masasabi mo sa mga mag-aaral ngayon na talagang nagsusumikap na matapos ang kanilang mga modules?
Yes, to all people going to School Top Philippines, please go to Mojol because Mojol is the very successful it's very too successful in the way sige English pag mahuman man ay way to your
Done.
up your school.
Way to done.
Ikaw.
And of course, ayan, thank you so much to talk to me about the student. Ayan. About the student to our module. Don't be a what is this?
What?
Yung
No
yung
English.
basta.
No, matatalo ka.
And about the student, don't trust yourself because you don't have the education, not your relation. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much.
Kasi mas bright sa inyo.
Ako. Dapat ningon, dapat you talk to camera, dapat because module is education is times of solutions.
Oh!
Alam lang.
Oo.
Kasi thought ato.
Oo.
Dapat kailangan nimo
Ay, kung wala ko ninyo students, wala ka ni SKML.
Nag-away sila.
Wala,
Ano ron? Tubangan mo sa isa't isa. Tubangan si Mela. Tanaw mo mga naw mo.
Because I'm
Takoyaki versus Baki. So, dahil nakamit guys, sana nag-good vibes kayo. Thank you so much for watching sa aking YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Manay! Kinita!
Ayan, and of
Manay,
course,
Kinita!
Manay, Kinita! Manay, Kinita! Ayan, thank you so much, Manay, to inviting me here. Oh, yan,
So,
thank you so
promote your
much.
channel.
And of course, I will promote to my channel, Paulina TV. Please subscribe my YouTube
Don't
channel.
subscribe?
Please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Yes, thank you so much for Manay Kinita to inviting me. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and YouTube channel Baby Mela. Then my Facebook page is Baby Mela Vlog. Thanks so much.
So, thank you so much, guys. So, abangan niyo po ang aming mga more videos, lalo na kasama po ang Team Attitude.
At
And
saka-
everybody, thank you so much! Si Guapa.
Siyempre ako.
Ako. Kalain ako mga katapa rin eh.
Kabalo ka man ang gwapang silod man ni Valerie Toki.
Bitaw.
Ang
Di ba?
gwapa nga tinuod, wala nabuyagan.
No.
Pwede ko na ito naman na Drio.
Pwede ko na ito naman.
Another mo.
Ikaw daw, be.
Ako, wala mo.
Ako daw, be. Napakapak.
Wala man. Ikaw daw man.
Ikaw daw.
Bitaw mo, tama.
Ikaw naman.
Another yung
Ikaw daw, sumbago na ako ng mata.
Ayaw, madaot. Ikaw lang, kanilang, hinayo lang, ala lang.
Oh.
Kinilang kami.
Mahadlok.
Oh.
Mahadlok siya.
Oh my God.
Ay, thank you so much, Manay. Bye.
Mga tree! Manay Kinita! Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you!